All right, I'm going to show you how to use the ear as well as the gel electrodes. Okay, we are still on the red app. Okay, now I want you to notice that the program at the top right corner, there is the three words IMF. Okay, so programs that you see IMF, when you open, you'll find that there are two ways to use it. One is the electrode and the second one is the coil. Okay, so if you see IMF, it means that you can use coil or electrodes. Now take a look at this. Top right hand corner got nothing. All right, didn't say got IMF, right? If you look at learning, you see learning system, learning acute, concentration system, concentration acute, exam system, exam acute, stress system, stress acute. So it's a repeat. Every program got two. One is system, one is acute. And then one is got IMF, the other one don't have IMF. Okay, all the system one got IMF, all the acute program don't have IMF. Okay, meaning that the usage is different. Okay, so when you see IMF, it means two methods, the electrodes and the coil. If you see acute, this is where they will tell you you cannot use the coil. You have to use the electrodes. You see or not? Yeah. So from the picture here, you can see the gel and the ear clip. And then you look at the text right at the bottom. There is nothing mentioned about the coil here. So don't attempt to use the coil. It does not work. Doesn't work. Okay? All right. Now, why is there a distinction between these two? Learning system is on normal days. Yeah, the acute means that there is an issue that needs immediate attention. Okay, that you need to address it quickly. So therefore, you have to use the electrodes. Like I mentioned earlier, electrodes, microcurrent is the faster and the better way to receive the microcurrent frequencies. Okay, all right. So back to here. Now, whenever you deal with pain, one is for chronic pain. Okay, so chronic pain, you also use electrodes because you have to dress it immediately. Number two, back pain. So you see here, just follow where the picture is, and that's where you put the gel electrodes, the adhesive pad. Okay, third one, for toothache, for your jaw pain, for your gum. Okay, this is where you will place them. So you just need to follow the picture. So this is for your knee. It is also here. And then headache. Anything that is pain, discomfort in the head, you will normally use the ear clip or the adhesive gel pad. Okay, so like all this, insomnia for program 6, 7, this is for depression, and then 8 is anxiety. So this is the only program where it comes with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so it's all written in the well-being book. If you have forgotten what I mentioned here, so go and refer to that particular book. All right, so learning have this, and then I think harmony 1, women local. You see here, women local, mature women and women local. So women local is without the IMF. There's another one which is the sciatica at the third column. Okay, the bottom row. sciatica nerve. So pain, usually when it deals with pain, the recommended method is microcurrent. So use electrode, that will be the best. Okay, so most other programs usually have the IMF where you can use actually the two methods. Okay, the wristband electrodes or the coil. Okay, so there's one more cosmic growth here. Okay, then okay, so the rest are fine, huh? Okay, now all the programs that you see over here I will not run through because all these you can find them in the well-being handbook. So please refer to the well-being handbook to understand when do you use which programs. Okay, so it will be good for you to read everything cover to cover so that you can then quickly learn how to apply them and use the programs effectively. Okay, so for how to use the ear clip, ear electrodes, the adhesive gel electrodes, please refer to